Hi boys and girls. So today we are going to be tracing our letter of the day, which is S for star. And we're going to work with pencil. I will be working with marker because I am photographing this and I want to make sure that you're seeing what I'm writing. You, however, will work with pencil. That way, if you make mistakes, they can easily be erased. So we're going to start, we're going to make a large curve, and then when we get to about this point, we're going to just curve the opposite direction. We're not going to make two circles because that would make a different character. That would actually make the number 8. So we're just going to start here. We're going to come around. When we get to about this point, we're going to start hooking in to that opposite curve. And that's kind of awkward at first. If you want, you can take your finger and trace it to get a feeling for that letter S. Or you can simply trace it with your pencil. If you make any mistakes, you have the eraser you can erase. So if we look at our lines here, the S starts a little bit above the top line. This is for the capital S. So we're going to start, come right around. We're going to continue down and stop. Just above that top line, hook this way, and then we're going to hook right back, and we'll stop. And that's our letter S. So each one of these gets smaller till you get down to the smaller ones. You should have a good feel for that S shape. And then you can try it on your own down here. And then here's a word to trace, and that word is star. Here's our lowercase s, or little s. You'll see it starts on that dotted line in the middle. It's the same identical shape. You're going to come around, and then you're going to switch back the opposite direction. Again, if you're having problems, just trace it with your finger to begin with. And around. Always starting for little s at the bottom line. Just like that. And then, of course, they get smaller. And then you'll try it on your own, fairly small. And then here's a word. This is a big word. And here's a picture of it. And if you like the beach, you'll know that that is a seahorse. And you can hear that sound in seahorse. If you need to take a break between worksheets, that's great. You can probably do one of our Let's Move videos. Our YouTube videos. And now I'm going to switch to a dry erase marker, and you can see because I'm working in marker, I do have my little piece of foam to keep my table nice and clean. So for those of you who are new to this, we do our name every single day, and we do it Mom and Dad can look up the Zahner Bloser alphabet and see how the letters of your name are formed. We have an S name today, which is Steve. And we're simply going to take and put it in a zip type baggie. We're going to use an Expo marker. Always remember when we write, we hold it with 3 fingers. And we're going to trace over all of the letters. This is a great paper saver. If I was in school, I would probably laminate this, but we don't have access to laminators at home. So here we've dropped off one of the letters, S, T, E, V, E. And you can see it's kind of hard with that marker to trace. S, T, E, V, E. And we might not be able to get all of the letters the first time we do this. It might take us a couple weeks till we can remember to write all of those letters. But that's how we learn, by just doing and doing and doing. Until we get to the end, I can write the name Steve very easily. So that's it. Don't forget to write your name every day.